Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150 between generation between year 2009 and year 2014. If you have one of those and the front right power window on the passenger side does not work, you need to check which fuse it is. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuse for that window is located, and we'll talk about the power window switch fuses as well. We will explain why it's important to test fuses and where to buy cheap fuses from as well. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically guys, we'll demonstrate on the 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here in the garage, but if you have a different year, that generation, it will work as well. You have two fuse boxes. One is guys under the hood in the engine bay, but you don't need this one. We're going to work on the fuse box that's inside your F-150, that's part of the BCM body control module, under the glove box on the right side next to that kick panel. You will remove the cover guys, and underneath you'll find the fuse box. Once you open it, it will look just like that, you can see. Now let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So where is that fuse now? If you look right here on the first row right here guys, if you come right here, 1, 2, 3, the third fuse, that's a 30 amp fuse in our case. That 30 amp fuse is the one for the power windows on the front right on the passenger side. Check it out. If you need to buy new fuses, relays at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tools and supplies from. If your power window still doesn't work guys, check, we have a special video about power window switch fuse on Ford F-150. It will tell you which fuses you need to check. Thank you for watching and see you next time.